Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. A new classwork, which is classwork number 12, which is the loft and the loft cut. So what's the concept of the loft? The concept is very easy. That suppose that you have a model like this that has a circle base, and at the top it has a square, and you want to make an extrude between these two different shapes. Circle in the bottom, in the top, and the top you have a square, you have a triangle, two totally different shapes. How can you make an extrude between these two shapes? By using the loft. So what are you going to do is very simple. You have to draw a circle, then you make a plane, okay, with the distance, okay, and you draw the second shape, okay, and make it fully defined. Then after you made these two or three shapes, you can make feature, then loft between what? Between the sketch number 1, which is the circle, as you can see here, and sketch number 2, then check. So this is the concept of this classwork. Very easy. Okay, so it's related to two different or three different shapes, and you want to make an extrude between them. So let's go to the question number 1 here. In question number 1, we have a square, then we have a square, then we have a cylinder, as we can see. This is the orange one. The orange area needs the loft. So let's do that together. File, new, then OK. So from the top, normal to sketch, activate sketch. I'll make a square. The square has dimension of 40 by 40, as we can see, and we have a fillet of 5 millimeters. Okay, then check, and check again, and close it from here. Now we have this base. Before you close it, you have to make feature extrude. So what is the extrude of this? The extrude is 50, and check. Okay. Now we have a circle in the length of 70 from the base. So from this one, from the top, make a plane and create a plane, reference geometry plane. This plane has to be 70. 70 from the base, then check. On this plane, make it normal to, and draw a circle. The circle will be 20 millimeters phi. Okay, and it has an extrude of 90 minus 70. Feature extrude. Okay, 20, and check. So we made the base, we made this cylinder. We just need to add the loft here. How can we do that? Okay, first of all, you have to click. We have to make a sketch of a square here. So click here and make a sketch. Right click, normal to, then sketch, activate sketch, and choose convert entity, then check. So we made sketch number 1. Also we have to make a sketch number 2 here. Click here, then sketch, activate sketch, convert entity. So we made a circle. So we have two sketches here. Close from here. Now I want to make the loft feature. Loft between what? Between sketch number 4, the circle, and sketch number 3. Okay, and go from the top, see what happened. Right click, normal to. Okay, then check. As you can see that we did this. Okay, so this area we need to do it by using the loft. Finally, we have a shell of 2 millimeters. So shell, how can we do that? From here, choose shell, and the distance is 2 millimeters. Okay, in this area, check. Okay, as we can see that, I'll make a section. So this is what is going on this part. After we make this section, we can click here to make it in normal shape. So this is how we do this. Now in the next video, how can we do the same thing, okay, but we make the edges smooth. Here we have sharp edges, and we have here with the same dimensions, we are going to choose the loft but with smooth edges. How can we do that? Inshallah in the next video. Thank you very much.